Bookkeeping is one of the most vital duties for all business, but especially Amazon sellers. The site makes it very easy to get up and running with a new business, but if you get ahead of yourself without proper bookkeeping in place, you can run afoul of regulations or tax rules or simply leave money on the table come tax season. Whether you're a veteran Amazon seller or if you're new to the e-commerce platform, you'll want to make organized and methodical bookkeeping a priority. Here's your guide to bookkeeping for Amazon sellers. Bookkeeping is important when selling on Amazon because it will help your small business's financial transactions remain organized. There are several benefits to bookkeeping that can save you and your business money and time. Understanding your financial position when making decisions, separating your business finances and personal finances, ensuring you're claiming all deductible business expenses, and avoiding tax audits or underpayments and associated fines. When doing bookkeeping as an Amazon seller, you can choose from an accounting method to track your transactions. There are two accounting methods, either cash or accrual. The cash accounting method is more straightforward. You record expenses when payments are made, and you record revenue when you have the money in hand. This gives you a financial picture of the present standing of your accounts and tells you exactly how much cash you have on hand at a given moment. Accrual accounting takes into consideration accounts payable and accounts receivable, which is the money you owe or are owed but have not yet paid or received. If you know an expense is coming up, it can make sense to take that into account with your bookkeeping. The accrual accounting method seeks to match expenses with the associated revenue, so for instance, the money you spend on procuring products is matched with the revenue you receive for selling them. This accounting method may help Amazon sellers who want more detail about the financial state of their business and its future trajectory. Next, you can create a chart of accounts, which will allow you to see different categories of financial transactions. You can also provide a name, brief description, and an identification code for your chart of accounts. A chart of accounts usually contains at least the following categories: assets, which includes resources like cash on hand, bank savings, inventory, and intellectual property; liabilities, like accounts payable or outstanding loans; revenue, the income you receive from your Amazon sales; and expenses, any outflows necessary to procure, sell, or deliver your products. As your business grows and becomes more complex, you may need to include additional charts like equity, which takes into account any shareholder stakes in company ownership. It's essential to track the cost of goods sold to determine the gross profit of your business. You can track the cost of goods sold in one of three ways: the average cost method, the first in, first out, or last in, first out. The average cost method tracks your average product cost over time. This option is useful because you can track costs regardless of the purchase date. First in, first out is a method for managing assets where earliest arriving products are the first to be used or sold. The oldest costs are included in the cost of goods sold, while remaining inventory is matched to the most recently obtained products. Last in, first out is an alternative method where the latest arriving products are the first to be sold, so those associated expenses are included in the cost of goods sold and older products are recorded as inventory. If you use Amazon to store and manage your inventory, they will necessarily do so on a first in, first out basis. Having a record-keeping system in place and streamlining it over time will serve as another way to track your transactions more efficiently. You'll want to maintain your record-keeping in the following ways: track your expenses and revenue, keep your business expenses separate from your personal expenses, review your records often, ideally bi-monthly or monthly. Record your financial transactions, print your financial transactions as different reports: a balance sheet, an income statement, an accounts payable report, and an accounts receivable aging report. One of your top considerations should be accounting support as you develop your Amazon business. Many beginner Amazon sellers opt to use accounting software to track their transactions. However, as your business develops, taxes may become more complicated. This is where having a professional accountant on your team will come in handy. Not only will an accountant ensure you're in compliance with both state and federal tax regulations, but they'll also help you save money by maximizing tax deductions and credits that apply to your business. At 1-800-ACCOUNTANT, our certified US-based accountants have more than 17 years of experience on average. Partner with a professional bookkeeper who has worked with Amazon sellers and knows the ins and outs of e-commerce taxes. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found this to be educational or informative, helpful, entertaining, please like and subscribe, and look for 1-800-ACCOUNTANT on your social media channels of choice.